Hey guys, so I wanted to make this video. I know that market's kind of over, but this is basically the warning that I told you guys. So as of right now, within the next roughly 2 to 3 months, I am expecting a sell-off in the market. I don't know how else to really explain it to you guys, but I'm expecting anywhere between a 30 to 40 point sell-off on QQQ, and also the same thing roughly on SPY. Maybe not SPY. SPY hasn't closed yet, but QQQ has officially given the 2-week trigger on the bear side, right? You see a little green dot? The last time this happened, right, we dropped, and I have it all set up for you guys, right? So we dropped 43 bucks on the QQQ, roughly 44 in around 98 days. Before that, we dropped 55 and 28, 75 and 56, 87 and 84, 40 and 13, 42 and 14, 71 and 27, 42 and 112. And this goes back for, I don't know, for like forever, right? Every single 2-week close, right, you have a really big association with a nice sell-off. So right here, 115 all the way down to 95. And then we also have roughly the percentages of everything is going to be like 20%, 30%. We're looking at 13%, 11%. 20%, 20%, 17%, 11%. So this is just a warning for all you guys. We're looking at easily, I'd say, anywhere between a 10, 15, 20% like fall off, if not a lot stronger. But I'm going to be looking more between the range of 40 to 75 point drop within the next, 60 days or so. So I'm looking for this whole area, essentially, right? Anywhere between 407 down to 371, right? I'm looking for this whole move down on the QQQ. If there's any liquid, I would definitely say we're open to that, right? So I would say I would definitely look at this liquid here at 397 as the floor, or at least being part of the floor for QQQ. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great weekend. That's basically it. I'm essentially warning you guys of, I think the market's going to crash 10, 20% within the next 30 days. So we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.